everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? I hope you all fine. So today everyone, I'm going to make very useful homemade conditioner for hairs. जिनके hairs बहुत dry होते हैं उनके लिए conditioner बहुत useful है. So for that conditioner we need these ingredients, and we have, as you can see, yogurt, rose water, coconut oil, honey and lemon juice. So first we will add 2 tablespoon yogurt, 2 tablespoon yogurt. Then we will add just few drops of rose water. As you can see, I'm adding just few drops, okay. And so then we have coconut oil, and we will add just 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and then we will add 1 teaspoon of honey, okay, 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, and then we have lemon juice. We will take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then mix it well. You have to mix it well because we have added honey and oil on this mixture. So as you all know how to use the conditioner, after shampooing your hairs, wash your hairs and then apply this conditioner. Rinse your hair with warm water, then see the results. And also you can increase the quantity of the ingredients according to your hairs. If your hair's length is long, so you can increase the quantity of ingredients. So I hope you like our video. We have made a video about deep conditioner for dry hairs. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button to subscribe.